The idea of AI writing a best-selling book is both exciting and intriguing. AI has already demonstrated its potential in various creative fields, including writing. With the right tools and data, AI can generate compelling narratives, develop characters, and even mimic the writing styles of popular authors. Here's a step-by-step approach to testing whether AI can write a best-selling book. ***1. Select an AI writing tool***. Choose an advanced AI language model capable of generating coherent and engaging text. There are several options available, such as GPT-3, which is known for its impressive natural language processing capabilities. ***2. Define the genre and theme**. Decide on the genre and theme for the book. This will help guide the AI in generating content that aligns with the desired style and target audience. For example, you could choose a mystery thriller, a romance novel, or a science fiction adventure. ***3. Provide a detailed outline**. Create a detailed outline of the book, including the plot, key events, and character descriptions. This outline will serve as a roadmap for the AI, ensuring that the generated content follows a structured narrative. ***4. Generate the text**. Use the AI tool to generate text based on the outline. This may involve inputting prompts for each chapter or scene, guiding the AI to produce content that fits the overall storyline. The AI can generate dialogue, descriptions, and action sequences, building the narrative step by step. ***5. Edit and refine**. Review the generated text and make necessary edits to ensure coherence, consistency, and quality. While AI can produce impressive content, human intervention is often needed to fine-tune the writing and add a personal touch. ***6. Test with readers**. Share the completed manuscript with a test audience to gather feedback. This will help identify any areas that need improvement and ensure that the book resonates with readers. ***7. Publish and promote**. Once the book is polished and ready, publish it through traditional or self-publishing channels. Promote the book through various marketing strategies to reach a wider audience and increase its chances of becoming a bestseller. It's important to note that while AI can assist in the writing process, the success of a book ultimately depends on various factors, including the quality of the story, marketing efforts, and reader reception. AI can be a valuable tool for generating content and enhancing creativity, but human creativity, intuition, and experience remain crucial in crafting a truly compelling and successful book.